Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit PDF document using Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Canva, and first of all, if we want to edit PDF document, we need to go to the upload menu right here. Go to the upload and you're going to upload your PDF file to the Canva. I'm going to select upload files and I'm going to select PDF file from my device. Right guys, I'm still looking for the PDF file. Okay, I'm okay with this one. For example, I'm going to edit this PDF document, and after the PDF document has been added to the Canva, we can open it. Okay, and if you want to edit the PDF document, you just need to click on the text you want to edit, and you will be able to edit right here in the Canva. For example, I'm going to make the text a bold like this. And if you want to save it, you just need to click on share and you can click on download. Okay guys, and that's all the way to edit PDF document using Canva. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.